Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off applications notifications in Samsung Galaxy S22. So we don't want our app to send us notifications. Where to find the option to turn it off? Settings, of course. Then under notifications at the top we have this little option. What does it do? Choose which applications are allowed to send you notifications. So we go right in here, and here we have every app possible that can send notifications to our phone. Let's say we don't want Gmail, we don't want contacts, we don't want Bixby, etc., etc. We can just simply uncheck boxes here in whatever app we want. Back out, no need to save. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.